So here we are in my workshop outside. Another project for the wife to make a railing, metal, and it's to have scrolls in it. So I've got to make 8 of these the same. Just make a former, make a jig, they'll all come out the same, shouldn't be a problem. Just round off the ends before you start, don't leave them straight edge. Put it in the former. And walk it round. There we go. First one. Turning it round, do the next one. Start in the same spot again. And that's that. That's how simple it is. So we have 2 matching scrolls. Only 6 more to make. 6 more to go. And then I've got the rest of the railing to do.